Imagine a channel with more than 8,000 subscribers, only 6 videos uploaded, yet making over $6,000 every single month. And the craziest part? These videos are just dark human history stories told with simple Stickman animations. But here's where it gets insane. The full AI prompt that creates this entire content style is already done for you. Video ideas, scripts, visual style. This prompt pinned in comment section. I'll show you exactly how people are using AI to clone this viral content style in minutes. First step starts with the title prompt. You don't randomly think of ideas anymore. You copy the title prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Within seconds, it generates multiple viral video ideas based on your niche. But here's the key. Don't pick the first one blindly. You scan through, choose the idea with the highest curiosity gap. Now, once your topic is selected, you move to the script phase. You take the scripting prompt from your document and paste it into Claude AI. But this is where most people mess up. They forget to insert the selected topic into the prompt. That small step is what turns a generic script into a viral structured story. So you add your topic, hit generate, and within seconds you get a fully structured script, hook story build-up, emotional tension, and payoff. Now we move to voice. You go to ElevenLabs, and instead of picking random voices, you choose the calm tone. Why? Because calm narration keeps retention higher for dark history and storytelling content. Now comes the most important part, visuals. You go back to your document and copy the image prompt. Then, you paste it into ChatGPT along with your script. Now here's what happens. It breaks your entire script into scenes and generates 5 cinematic image prompts. Each prompt represents a visual moment in your video. And when you type next, it continues generating the next set of scenes so you never run out of visuals. Now take those prompts one by one, paste them into Nano Banana inside Google Labs. This is where your images are generated in a cinematic style. At this point, you already have voiceover visual scenes. Now the final step is editing. You go into any editing tool, arrange visuals according to script timing, sync the voiceover, add subtle transitions, then export.
Some of the smartest people in history didn't fail. They unraveled. It's 1884. Georg Cantor, one of the greatest mathematicians who ever lived, that the infinite isn't just one thing. His colleagues call it madness. They reject his work. Cantor begins disappearing, not physically, mentally. He was living alone, conducting long, secretive conversations with pigeons.